Hey everyone! Recently me and my family went to Orlando to visit my brother. I made a vlog of the whole trip, so I hope you enjoy the video. We stopped by downtown Disney to go to Gideon's Bakehouse, which I heard was super popular. I know that Gideon's Bakehouse is famous for their cookies, but they put a lot of chocolate chips in their cookies and I'm not a fan of all that chocolate, so I just wanted to try their cake. After waiting 30 minutes in line, we finally got in. The line got bigger while we were in there. After getting our cakes and cookies, we walked around a bit and I found this cute little shop called Love Pop. The store sold really cool pop-up cards, which was perfect because I was going to give my brother some birthday presents and I wanted to give him a card as well. I had a hard time deciding which card to pick because there were so many, and they all looked really cool. Eventually I made a decision. I thought this one was the coolest out of all of the options. After hanging out at downtown Disney, we went to the Grand Floridian to check into our room. after looking around our room, I sat down and decided to try my cake. I'm not lying when I say this is the best red velvet cake I've ever bought in my life. No joke, I would gladly stand in that line again just to get another slice. It was so good. This was the second cake I bought. It was the peanut butter cupcake, and it was definitely good, but I'd say the red velvet cake was way better in my opinion. My parents went to some wine and food event, so I decided to chill in the room. I fell asleep, and by the time I woke up, it was already nighttime. I heard fireworks from my room, so I left the room as quickly as I could so I could catch the fireworks show. Luckily, I was able to make it. At the Grand Floridian, there's a special spot where you can go and see the fireworks from Magic Kingdom. They'll even play the same music as what's playing at the show. After the fireworks show ended, I decided to get some dinner. After picking up my food, I went back to the room to eat. I was too hungry to film what I got, but I got a burger, and I did get a video of the little cupcake I got to go with it. The next morning, I went to go get something to eat for breakfast before we left the resort. Here's what I got for breakfast. I got a croissant sandwich, tater tots, bacon, and some Mickey waffles. We checked out of the Grand Floridian and went to downtown Disney for lunch. We went by the food trucks and got some awesome tacos. After lunch, we continued to walk around Disney Springs until our rooms were ready. After a while, our rooms were ready and we went to Saratoga Springs to check in. After we checked into our room, I wrapped my brother's presents as fast as I could before he arrived. Since he had work, we could only see him one day out of the trip, and this is when I gave him his presents. My brother has done so much for me, and I'm really grateful, so I wanted to show my appreciation by giving him these gifts.
This is cool.
Right? I found it at Downtown Disney.
Have an excellent birthday. Oh. Oh, these are the headphones.
Yeah, your earphones suck, so...
I could use these. Thanks.
You can use them at the gym too, so if you ever take them there. Plus it comes with a travel case.
It'll be for work.
You need scissors,
No.
because I wanted it to look pretty.
What, like after I unwrap? I'm not like going to, but also yeah. So.
No, you don't have to save the wrapping paper. I just really like to wrap things pretty.
I surprised him with a Nintendo Switch! Since he works so much, now he can have fun in his downtime. We used to play video games when we were kids, and he said he wants to get back into gaming, so I thought this would be the perfect gift. After he opened his gifts, we basically just played video games. Then we went to Downtown Disney, and we stopped by the Lego store, and he bought me the Lego Millennium Falcon as a present for my birthday. I was really happy about that. I've been wanting the Lego Millennium Falcon for a while. I'm totally gonna make a video of me building it. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!